Berger Lab is comprised of cell and molecular biologists and chemists who develop new fluorescent technologies for biomedical applications. In large, we are part of the Molecular Biosensor and Imaging Center, which founded an innovative concept of how to study and look at proteins of interest, combining properties of chemical dye molecules and genetically encoded proteins. And we are applying this developed technology for conducting high-throughput screens for new cystic fibrosis therapies. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disease where those affected have thickened mucus in their lungs, resulting in airway obstruction, chronic infection, and severe reduction in life expectancy. Most CF therapies available only treat the symptoms, as it's been extremely challenging to address the underlying cause of the disease. Most frequently, the defective gene responsible, CFTR, results in a protein that is quickly degraded instead of being expressed on the cell surface where it functions. Researchers have been screening for drugs to rescue the protein to the cell surface, but so far there have been no effective standalone treatments. Screening efforts have also not been able to directly test protein rescue to the cell surface because these assays have been expensive and difficult. The technology of our lab allowed us to establish a new high-throughput screening paradigm that quickly and quantitatively measures the surface density and total CFTR protein. This allows for rapid screening of increased surface targeting while also providing information on regulation of overall protein expression levels. The goal of this project is to try to identify targets to improve a promising drug that was ineffective in patients. Overall, we are screening to improve the drug's rescuing effect to be able to provide a better level of therapeutic benefit to patients. We carried out a library screen where we knocked down kinase targets to enhance rescue and stabilization of the CFTR protein beyond that achievable with the current drug VX-809. From this screen, we identified several targets that had a synergistic effect with VX-809 treatment in enhancing protein rescue to the surface than that achieved using VX-809 alone. Currently, we are working with Simon Watkins and Roy Frizzell's labs at the University of Pittsburgh to cross-validate our results in an imaging format and to test our targets and cells directly from CF patients.